This ePackageSupply 5-gallon bucket set stands out for its thick 90 mil walls that feel genuinely sturdy and hold up well to repeated use and stacking. The screw-on gamma-style lids create a tight seal that keeps contents dry and fresh, making these buckets reliable for long-term storage. Because the plastic is food-safe and free of bisphenol A, the buckets work well for bulk ingredients, brining meats, and other kitchen uses, without imparting odors or flavors. The buckets handle non-food tasks just as well, from storing pet food and detergents to hauling water or doing aquarium water changes, so they earn their keep around the house and garage. Users will appreciate that the high-density polyethylene construction is compatible with dishwashers and microwaves, which makes cleaning and reheating contents much more convenient. Being manufactured in the United States by a veteran-owned company adds reassurance about quality control and material safety for anyone using these buckets regularly.